Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare the Audi A7 versus the Nissan GTR. Let's dive into their core differences, starting with what each vehicle aims to achieve. The Audi A7 blends sophisticated design with a comfortable ride, making it ideal for daily driving and long trips. In contrast, the Nissan GTR is engineered for exhilarating performance, focusing on acceleration and handling for a thrilling experience. Moving to what powers these machines, the Audi A7 generally features a robust V6 engine, providing a smooth and powerful drive suitable for various conditions. The Nissan GTR, however, comes equipped with a hand-built twin-turbo V6, delivering significantly more horsepower for incredible acceleration. Both vehicles utilize advanced all-wheel drive, but their tuning reflects their distinct purposes: luxury touring versus track domination. Now, let's consider the interior experience and practicality. The Audi A7 excels with its luxurious cabin, featuring high-quality materials, cutting-edge infotainment, and comfortable seating for 4 adults. It also offers generous cargo capacity, making it a practical choice. The Nissan GTR's interior is more Spartan, designed to keep the driver connected to the road, with less emphasis on passenger comfort or extensive storage. Finally, let's talk about the driving experience and overall value. The Audi A7 provides a sophisticated and comfortable ride, perfect for daily commutes and long journeys, offering a blend of performance and luxury. The Nissan GTR, on the other hand, is a high-octane machine, delivering an exhilarating and raw driving experience that truly shines on the track. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize refined comfort and practicality or unadulterated speed and track prowess.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.